In this guide, you'll learn how to access YouTube TV on your browser. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in tv.youtube.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, at the top right, you're going to find the option Sign In. Click on that. Now you'll be directed to the login page. Here you're going to find the Google accounts that we're using. You can use that Google account to log in to YouTube TV. In case you want to use another account, click on this option Use Another Account, then provide your Google account's credentials, email or phone, and the password. In case you want to use the Google account that you are currently using, all you have to do is click on it. You might be prompted to verify it. Once you do that, you'll be logged into YouTube TV. So this is how you can easily access YouTube TV on your browser. By following the same steps, you can easily access YouTube TV on any browser. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.